tell me what is the national animal of India? I said, what is the national aquatic animal of India? Very nice. How many numbers of dolphin are left in India? Okay, I'll tell you. The number is 6,237 only. Can you believe only 6,327 dolphins are left in India? And this number is also decreasing every year on an alarming way. Can you tell me the reason why dolphins are... Yes? Yes, very good. Because we are polluting the water. Any more reasons? Yes, Gitika? Very good. And yes? Very good, fishermen, yes. So, government has taken few steps to protect these dolphins. And they have launched one project which is named as Dolphin Conservation. So, Project Dolphin is initiated in the year 2021 by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change by the Government of India. Now, as a part of this project, October 5 has been designated as the National Dolphin Day. What is the day? National Dolphin Day. Date I am asking. October 5. Yes, October 5 has been designated as the National Dolphin Day by the Environment Ministry. As a part of the project, the Dolphin Breeding Center for the Gangetic River Dolphin is planned in the Bengal region in the stretch of the Ganga River between Farakka and Ganga. So, what we can do as a student to protect dolphins? We should not throw garbage. We can try to reduce the pollution. Yes? Very good. We should not throw waste material in the rivers. And yes. So today we will take one pledge. Are you ready for the pledge?